Here's how to fix YouTube error code 15 on your phone in 2026. If this helps, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes like this. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off. Then try opening YouTube again. Next, completely close the YouTube app. Swipe it away from the app switcher, then reopen it, and check if the error is gone. Now open the App Store and search for YouTube. If there's an update available, install it. An outdated app is one of the most common causes of error code 15. Go to your phone's Settings, Open Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect time settings can block YouTube from connecting. If the issue still isn't fixed, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches that can cause YouTube errors. And that's it. These steps fix YouTube error code 15 for most users on mobile. Subscribe for more fast and simple YouTube tips.